If you've lost access to your Balboa Capital account and cannot use your email, there are alternative methods to recover your account. Follow these steps to regain access quickly. Step 1. Visit the Balboa Capital website. Go to the official Balboa Capital website using a web browser. Look for the login section to begin the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Locate the Forgot Password link on the login page. Click on it to initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Provide your account information. Enter the required information such as your account number or any other identification details requested. This helps verify your identity. Step 4. Choose alternative recovery options. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Complete the recovery process by following the instructions provided based on the method you selected. This may involve resetting your password or confirming your identity. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to access your Balboa Capital account again. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer support for further assistance.